Can you tell me what color is Daddy car? What color?
It's that color.
It's that color. Really? Where is your binoculars? Where? Do you know?
No.
No. Do you want mommy follow you?
No.
Which car?
Yeah.
Inside that car? Yes. I will get it. Go get it for you. Can you wait a minute?
Okay.
Okay. Where is it? I found it. Oh yeah. How should you do?
Thank you.
Okay. Do you know how to use it? Okay. Where? Look somewhere. Where is bird? Okay. Okay, you lead the way. Okay. Go together, okay? Go together. I will follow you. Yeah. Ooh, wow. You can do it. Do you know how to use? I'll go over there. Which way? Where is the bird? You can look the bird from here. Okay, let's see with your binocular. Let's see. Ooh. Can you see any bird? Wow. Can you see any bird? Okay, where is bird? Can you show? Oh, over there. Wow. Right? Wow. Okay. This you can put to your eyes. Yeah. Can you see any bird? Yeah. Yes, I can. Bird. How many birds are there? Can you count how many birds? 1, 2,